So why are Facebook ads so effective? You need to know this because if you don't understand why they're so effective, why they're so good, and why so many large brands and companies are flocking to the Facebook ads platform, then you aren't going to understand why it's important to learn Facebook ads yourself. So first of all, social media in general, not just Facebook, but Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Wanalo, just all these different platforms, Foursquare. I could go on for hours talking about different social media platforms. There's no denying it. Social media is part of our daily lives now. There's no escaping it. It's everywhere. You can be so incredibly precise with who you show your ad to on the Facebook ads platform. It beats all traditional methods, in my opinion. You can ensure that you only show your ad to people who are absolutely most likely to be interested, which means you aren't wasting your advertising budget showing your ad to people who are not part of your target audience. And this is something that until social media and the digital advertising age was impossible. And here's an example. Let's compare it to what I like to call traditional advertising. And that nowadays, for me anyway, means magazine adverts and TV adverts. Of course, there are other things such as radio ads, but we won't go into that. So for example, Forbes magazine. Let's say you're trying to sell life insurance to landlords or something like that. You can't tell Forbes that you only want your ad about life insurance for landlords to be shown strictly to male readers aged between 45 and 50. Additionally, you can't even ensure that these people are landlords. There are young readers of Forbes, and of course the majority of Forbes readers are not landlords. This ad is going to be printed in all copies of Forbes magazine. So therefore, you're going to be paying for this advertising campaign to be put into a magazine where a lot of the readership simply are not your target audience and will not be interested in your ad. You're wasting money. Again, here's an example for TV. You can't tell Disney that you only want your TV ad shown to children who love Mickey Mouse. Maybe you own a Mickey Mouse subscription service box. Maybe you run an entertainment business where it's, children's parties and you provide Disney princesses and Disney characters to turn up at children's parties. If you're advertising this on TV, it's on Disney Channel, it's going to be shown to everyone tuned in at the time, regardless of whether they're here to watch Mickey Mouse or here to watch Beauty and the Beast. If you're selling a product that is related strictly to Mickey Mouse, then there's no point advertising it to the people who are there to watch Beauty and the Beast and perhaps don't actually like Mickey Mouse. Again, they're not going to be interested in your product, service, or your advert. You are wasting money. And with Facebook, it's completely different. You can tell the Facebook ads platform exactly who you want to show your ad to and when you want to show it. You can use their age, gender, language, and location. But this is just the beginning. You can be so precise. For example, you can show your ads to people who have just been recently married or have a newborn child or both. And again, this is just scratching the surface. I will show you some crazy examples further into the course. Plus, with Facebook ads, it's only going to cost you as much as you want it to. All budgets are catered to. And that, for me, is why Facebook ads are so effective, especially for startup entrepreneurs and small online businesses today.